How urban farming can supply corporate kitchens. What if your office lunch was picked this morning from a farm just one floor away? Urban farming isn't just a trend. It's becoming a game changer for corporate kitchens, blending sustainability, freshness, and efficiency into every bite. Urban farming uses innovative technologies like vertical gardens, hydroponics, and aquaponics to grow fresh produce in compact city spaces on rooftops, inside buildings, or even in repurposed containers. For corporate kitchens, this means hyper-local, just-in-time ingredients grown steps away from the dining area. Here's how urban farming can supply your corporate kitchen. Fresh, on-demand produce. Leafy greens, herbs, tomatoes, and even strawberries can be harvested daily. That means higher nutrition, better flavor, and zero food miles. Space optimization. Vertical farming systems and hydroponic walls can be installed on office rooftops, balconies, or unused spaces, turning underutilized real estate into food factories. Sustainability advantage. These systems use up to 90% less water than traditional farming and eliminate the need for long-haul transportation, dramatically reducing carbon footprints. Cost savings over time. While initial setup may require investment, growing your own produce lowers long-term procurement costs and reduces dependency on fluctuating food markets. Employee engagement office-based farms create a unique opportunity for wellness programs, team-building events, and sustainability branding, boosting employee morale and company image. Urban farming also supports ESG goals, aligns with green building certifications, and provides marketing value for eco-conscious clients and stakeholders. From seed to plate, all within your office walls, urban farming turns your kitchen into a sustainability powerhouse. Want more smart business strategies? Like, comment, and subscribe for insights at the intersection of food, tech, and innovation.